Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here with another business video. If you have missed the first video on the business topic, I'll leave a link in the description to that video and I will tag the video right here so you can go back and watch that video. Before we go any further, let's do some housekeeping. Like this video, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It means a lot. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this video is quality information for other people to see. So I would appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you stick with me towards the end of this video, I have something for you. So stick around. After you've identified your who, your what, and your how, you're thinking, what next? So I'm here to give you all that juicy information. Your next step should be validating your idea by doing research and testing your idea. The first thing you want to do is to find out if there is already someone offering the service or the product that you want to offer. Doing this, you can find out different things. It can mean that the market is already saturated and it doesn't make sense to go in that market. It can also mean that the market, there is space for you in that market. Or it can also mean that there's no one offering it and this is a great opportunity for you to offer your service or this brand new product. If someone is already offering this service or already have the product that you want to offer, it doesn't mean that you can't go in the market if there's space in the market. What this means is that you have a reference point. You can watch what your competitors are doing so that you can better create a product that relieves the pain of your target audience. Also, when you watch your competitors and watch what they're doing, you can create an uncontested product or service that your competitors are not offering. I've read this book called The Blue Ocean Strategy, and it gives you a lot of insights on how to create a market that is uncontested. If you would like to read this book on how you can create uncontested market space for your business, I will leave a link in the description box. Right, so that was number one. Number two is to find out if the people that you're trying to target actually wants your offer. You can do this by way of testing your assumption. So there are many ways you can test your assumption. You can test your assumption by prototyping in the cheapest way possible. Don't go out and spend millions or thousands of dollars on prototyping. Your prototype can be a drawing of your idea. Your prototype can be just a written concept and show it to people. You can ask through questionnaires, survey monkeys, online questionnaires, or in person. You can go out on the streets and ask people. But the most important thing is to identify your target audience and try to ask people who fit the criteria of your target audience. When I tested my assumption for my mobile salon, I went on Canva. I hope you know Canva. If you don't, canva.com. This video is not sponsored by them, but it's just a really, really good tool. I use Canva to get images to create a mobile salon with some ladies there. I pointed out in bold font my value propositions, and that was all on a paper. I took that to the streets of Zurich and to the area that I live and targeted people who fit my target demographic and asked them what do they think about this idea. At the end of the day, however you choose to validate or to test your assumption, people is in the center of it. You want feedback. You want to get people's opinion about your idea, and don't be afraid to pivot. Don't be afraid to change things. If majority of who you ask are telling you to do one thing, don't be afraid to change it, because remember, it's them who you're going to serve. And the final thing I'm going to say today about validating your business idea is the potential profit you can make from this idea. Guys, it's business. At the end of the day, if the finances do not match up, it doesn't make sense. It's important to do a budget before you waste any money. Do a budget. Find out the size of your target audience. How big is it? How much of that audience can you get? How much can you serve? Find out your potential sales revenue. What will your fixed cost be? What will your variable cost be? And then you can find out the potential profit you can make. So because you have stuck with me throughout this whole video, I have a little freebie for you. Head right on over to my website, travellifeofdanelle.com, and you can download a free budget template. The same template I've used to calculate my potential profit when I just started my business. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you watching my content. Until next time, for another business video, bye!